On 16th of July 2021, Ministry of National Food Security and Research convened a national pre-summit meeting on UNFSS 2021, where the curator and lead for UNFSS Pakistan Stake Dialogue updated the participants and all the relevant stakeholders on progress in country and commitment to join Global Coalition on Zero Hunger. So we have Ma'am Farah Naz, who is the country director of CANE. Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसी हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, थैंक्स।
So very much. Ma'am, what do you think? What was the basic agenda and what was the basic reason behind this event?
Today's event was actually one of the concluding workshops of the whole process of consultation that is happening in country for building up to the UN Food System Summit. You know that UN Food System Summit is happening in September. For that particular Food System Summit, all the member states of UN, they are now developing their own commitments so that they can also find game-changing solutions for their own food system. Because the population is increasing, the resources are the same for production of food, and similarly, the malnutrition situation in Pakistan is very precarious. So that is why the purpose of this was that the whole 6 months consultative process was to actually reach a consensus that what should we do as a nation so that we can meet not only the current needs of food, but also the future needs of the food, and also our food should be safe and nutritious for all. So this was the culminating meeting for that particular process. So today it was actually kind of validation of what has been discussed so far, and whether people agree with all the solutions that have been proposed in this.
Do you think that we'll get a better or a good response because of this among in global coalition?
This is obviously going to be part of that global meeting, but there are some coalitions emerging out of this whole process of building up to the UN Food System Summit. So there is one coalition which is called End Hunger Alliance. So Government of Pakistan has also decided to become a member of that, because all those countries that are facing challenges of food production and meeting the needs of their population, and also facing a lot of nutrition related challenges, they will all many of them are part of that End Hunger Alliance, and Government of Pakistan has also joined that alliance. So that alliance will continue even after the summit, and so is our plan that is emerging out of this. It will continue for next 10 years or so, because 2030 is also the year when everybody has to report back on the Sustainable Development Goals as well. So Government of Pakistan has also made certain commitments on Sustainable Development Goals, but at the same time, in this Food System Summit also, Government of Pakistan is going to make certain commitments. So those are the commitments that provide us a way forward for our food system. What to do, how to do that, and how we can maximize our resources in order to meet the needs of our population.
Thank you so much.